Hi, real estate educators. Chris Inman at REEA, the Real Estate Educators Association. We've got some exciting news. If you haven't heard, we have two instructor development workshops coming up February 24th and 25th, Friday and Saturday next week. You don't want to miss them. Teresa, why don't you tell us about it?
Yeah, so it's the GSI, the Gold Standard Instructor, IDW1 and IDW number 2, which starts you very strongly on your path to become a certified GSI, Gold Standard Instructor. Who doesn't want to be Gold Standard? And we have two people with us right now who have taken the classes. So let's start with Janelle. So Janelle, you've taken the GSI IDW1, 2, and 3. And tell us why you believe people should get started on the path of their GSI.
Well, thank you, Teresa. GSI has done so much to improve my skills in the classroom, to be able to engage the students with modern technology, and has just been a wonderful advantage for me, especially with changes that have occurred in our market over the last couple of years. And I can't tell you how excited I am to be taking the refresher for GSI 1 and 2 this next week. I can't wait to see you there.
So you've taken it once and you're ready to come back and take it again, because I think there's so much information that we share with people, instructors in the real estate industry, educators, regulators, school directors, education directors. All of you should be participating, because it gets our head in the right place for where the adult learner is today. And because there's so much information, I imagine, Janelle, that's why you're coming back for the refresher course.
That and the fact that there's so much information, it just takes more than once to get it all and to continue to improve. And it's all about us improving so our students can improve.
Yeah, continuous improvement. So Beverly, tell us your experience when you took the GSI IDW 1 and 2.
I was so surprised and thrilled with the program and how much it helped me improve my skills in the modern classroom. Things have changed so much over the last few years, that the technology, all of it has really helped me improve my instruction, and the support from my fellow students too. I thought that was one of my favorite pieces of the program. Was I met some great people, made some really good connections, and was really supported. I got a lot of great inspiration from my colleagues, my fellow students. And I took the third IDW again, because that's like the technology, and that changes all the time. So each time you see it, you're getting more information, maybe something you missed the last time, something you're seeing a little bit differently, and all the new technology. So it was an invaluable experience for me, and I too will be taking the IDW number 1 and 2 refreshers soon.
Thank you. So what is it? GSI, Gold Standard Instructor, raises your level of instruction delivery, and we really focus on how do we become interactive teachers, so that our students can become interactive learners. When they become interactive learners, they become so much more engaged in what you teach. Now, that means, number 1, they're going to be better off on the streets as a real estate agent because of what you're teaching them and how you're teaching them, so retention goes up. Number 2, it makes them fall in love with you, by the way, right? Because if you differentiate yourself as an instructor using the tools and the techniques that we teach, especially in IDW number 2, they want to come back to you. People ask me all the time, how do I fill my room? How do I get more people in the seats? Start teaching at a higher level, and those students are going to want to come back to you over and over and over again. And it will only help you grow your student following. So the more people that show up in your classroom, the more in demand you are. And that networking that you were talking about, Beverly, I cannot tell you how many great connections I've made through the GSI network that has given me additional business outside of my own local market. So there isn't any reason why you shouldn't join us on Friday and Saturday. It's virtual, it's on Zoom. Take it from the comfort of your own home. But be there, because as Janelle says, if you snooze, you lose. So sign up now, and Chris will post the registration link in the comments below so that we see you on what dates, Chris?
February 24th and 25th. You don't want to miss it. Thank you, ladies. And I'm so excited to have this coming back out virtually. Once you sign up, we send you the link to Zoom and you're with us for 2 days. So join us February 24th and 25th for REEA GSI IDW number 1 and number 2. Find us on our website at REEA.org. Thank you again, ladies, for being here with us today. We'll see you all on the 24th.